All right, now let's begin our conversation on our coverage this evening. And the opposition NASA team is expected to file their presidential election petition any minute now at the Supreme Court. Our Duncan Hayamba is there now and now joins us live. Duncan, let me just begin by asking, why is there such a big delay? We were expecting this to happen earlier in the day at around 3 p.m., but it did not happen. So why is it taking so long?
We are not so sure what could have occasioned that delay. We've been making those frantic calls entire day from as early as 9 in the morning, and then communication came that it was supposed to be 3 p.m. Then it was moved to 6. Shortly it was communicated 4, and now here we are. Those calls we cannot actually ascertain, but perhaps Junet is among Junet Mohamed, Suna East Member of Parliament elect, is among leaders that are here that have also come here at the Supreme Court. Of course, we've seen ODM Secretary General Agnes Zani is also here, the Mishimboko, Dan Manzu, YPAP MP from Makueni. These are some of the NASA leaders that are here, but we will actually ask, perhaps, Junet, if you could tell us what is causing this delay. NASA said they were ready, and we know the fact that it's until midnight. Everybody's waiting. What is not happening?
I think there is no delay. You see, the court said that they are going to be open tonight up to midnight. The day ends at midnight tonight. So the NASA team are preparing. They are making all proper arrangements, and they want to have all their documents done. Because you remember in 2013, we filed our case, then we brought an affidavit later with the evidence, and then they rejected it. They said it's time. So this time they want it done proper. And I think there's no delay. We still have 3 more hours to go, up to midnight. This is 9, 10, 11. So we are within time, and very shortly they are going to arrive.
Supporters have been around here now. We can see them. They've lit fire outside at that roundabout. Of course, it's getting cold. And of course, they were expecting that NASA principals would be coming. Could you confirm to us whom are we expecting? The principals coming, or it's only the legal team that will be coming to file that petition?
I won't tell you that the NASA principals will be coming or not coming. That is, this is at night. So I don't want to divulge that kind of information because of security issues. But what I know that the NASA team, a team of over 20 lawyers, will be here to come and file the petition, and many of the NASA leaders also will be here. That's why you've seen us also that we have arrived to receive them so that we can file our petition. So I don't think there's anything to worry about. We are ready. I've just talked to them on phone. They are doing the final touches. And I think in 30 or 40 minutes they shall be here. Yeah, and Kenyans should not be worried. Our case is ready. It's watertight. And it's only that we are filing at night because IEBC also announced the results at night. So we want also to file it at night, and the Supreme Court should declare the results at night also. Yeah, so it is IEBC who started the business of announcing issues at night. Yeah.
Sawa, thank you very much. Mheshimiwa Mishi, maybe a minute, if you don't mind kindly, and if you could tell us what is the expectation this time round? Mheshimiwa Junet has talked of NASA or not repeating the mistake that CORD made in 2013. What are your expectations at this particular hour?
My expectation right now, between 30 to 40 minutes, the team of lawyers will be here, and maybe with other supporters and other leaders from the NASA family. And what we're expecting now, after filing the case, we're just waiting for the judges now to give the verdict to the Kenyans. And hopefully we are very much optimistic that we are going to have a fair judgment this time round.
In 2013, some documents were left out only for the team to realize when it was late, and as such it was not admissible. This time round, would you confirm that all that has been put into consideration, and we don't expect maybe other hitches to occur once the process gets underway?
Yes, I can tell you everything is in order. This time round, there's nothing which is going to bring any kind of challenge in terms of the filing of the case. We have everything because we have very able lawyers who have done a very tremendous job. And I think this time round, we are not going to fail our supporters.
Thank you very much, Betty. That is Mishi Mboko, who left the town as a Mombasa woman representative. Now she's back as a Likoni one. And briefly, I think I need to, this man has been very vocal telling us, Baba, while you are away, where is Baba? Baba yuko wapi?
Baba yuko nchini na wakati wote atakuwa amefika hapa tu file case yeye kama petitioner, ndio tuone kama bado haki itapatikana, kwa sababu ni makosa makubwa zaidi. Kama kura yako iwezi kuamua nani atakuongoza, unalazimishwa kiongozi, itakuwa tumepoteza umuhimu ya kupiga kura. Lakini kitu naweza kusema ni kwamba kifo cha Musandro imeto affect pakubwa sana. Ni kama wakati alikuwa amesikwa walitumia kindole yake kufanya ile password, lakini after yeye kufa wameshindwa kitu kufanya lock out, kwa sababu bado kura zinaendelea kuhesabika, kuongezeka kwa 7, sasa imefika 24 milioni.
Safi sana. That is Jafeth Morocco, the famously known for Baba while you are away. I've asked him where is Baba, but he says he's also waiting. But as I mentioned, a team of leaders from NASA elected, they're here, and I think we will be waiting. We've been given that assurance that in the next maybe 9:30 or 9:45 at most, they will have arrived here. So Betty, I think we'll have to leave it there for now, but be sure to get back to us as soon as they land here with that petition that they'll be coming to present before the judiciary. Over to you, Betty.
Thank you very much, Duncan Hemba, there reporting from the Supreme Court. And like he mentioned, any moment now when the legal team moves to the Supreme Court to file that petition, we'll be crossing over there live to